everyone, my name is Adria Wu, and today I will be making gluten and dairy-free pancakes using only 3 ingredients. As a mom of 2, trying to make healthy options for my kids, which they both like, is the biggest challenge any parent faces. But this super easy recipe is my go-to. My kids have this all the time and they absolutely love it. All right, so what do we need? We need 1 egg, 1 banana, and some coconut oil. Now, of course, organic if possible, especially when it comes to the eggs. So first of all, we'll take our banana and just mash it up with a fork, something easy that you have around in the kitchen. This is one of those things where I love getting my kids involved as well because it's very easy and it's quite safe as well. With bananas, they really ripen over time, and what happens is that the starch in them converts into sugar, and that's what gives it the sweetness. Now, you want to be careful that they're not too ripe, of course, maybe too much sugar, so you want to find that balance where the banana is ripe and quite sweet, but not too ripe. All right, so my banana is nice and mashed. I like the banana with a little bit of chunks sometimes as well. Get the egg in there, and look at that beautiful yolk. And again, just using the same fork, mix that up really nicely. Okay, I'm also gonna get my pan going now. These pancakes, we wanna cook at about 50% heat. And again, we have our coconut oil here. So I really love using coconut oil because it has a very high burning point. So it's great when we're cooking on high heats like this. Okay, so my pan's nice and warm now. And we're just gonna make sure our oil is evenly distributed across our pan. So let's get our pancakes on. I'm using about a tablespoon of batter each time, and I'm gonna make little tiny pancakes. It's great for kids, they're fun to eat, but of course you can make larger ones as well. Pancakes are already starting to smell so good, and how easy. It's just banana and egg. And again, a little bit of that coconut oil. You wanna keep your eye on the temperature, and the more you make this, the more confident you're gonna be when it comes to the time it takes. I would say it's about 2 minutes on each side. But again, it depends on how hot your pan is. If it's not coming off quite easily when you lift it up with a spatula, the pancakes just aren't quite ready yet. So you want to make sure it's quite easy to flip. Okay, let's check on this. It's been about just 2 minutes, and like I said, they should be quite easy to flip and lift up. They shouldn't be sticking onto the pan. Okay, you can see some nice bubbles in the pancake. I'm really happy with that, and like I said, they're just smelling so great. Lovely. Just gonna give another 2 minutes on this side, and then we're ready to plate up these pancakes. So here it is, the 3 ingredient pancakes, gluten and dairy-free and super delicious. Let us know in the comments what your favorite healthy kids meal is. And also remember to subscribe to our channel for all our upcoming delicious natural chef recipes.